45% of our fans are female.
It's huge.
So think about that. 45% of our fans are female. They're buying for themselves, but they are also the person buying for their sons or their husband or whoever else it is. They're the ones with all the buying power. So why in the world hasn't the industry come harder, heavier, faster than it has, to this date? I really wanted to make sure that it was with the right people on the right platform and that we really partnered with somebody that we could trust. Back to that word again, I think it is so important to find a partner that you really can trust when you're dealing with what you've created, your brand, who you are, what you're truly about. You can't just hand that over to someone and say, take off and go with it. Why do these women continue to want to be a part of something that was created back when, but has been held so dearly to each of those who have participated? And I think what you see in the series shows you that.